In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a chart-level calculated field. This process is a powerful way to make your data presentations more dynamic and insightful. So, let's dive right into the steps to achieve this. First, start by accessing the report where you want to customize your data display. Once you're in, identify the specific chart you plan to modify. This is an essential step because the calculated field we're creating will only apply to this chart, providing localized customization that can aid in better interpretation of your data. Next, look for the chart's Setup panel. This is where you can make different adjustments to the chart's data, ensuring it meets your analysis needs. Within this panel, you'll find two options, either to add a dimension or a metric. The choice between these depends on your specific requirement, whether you're aiming to create a new dimension or to calculate a new metric that reflects computations like totals or averages. Once you've decided and clicked on either plus add dimension or plus add metric, you'll need to move forward by selecting plus add field. Sometimes this might also be presented as create field, but both lead you to the same destination. This is the juncture where your creativity meets data. You can define what exactly you want to calculate or segment directly within the interface you're working on. Now, it's time to put a name to your field. This is crucial to easily identify it later, especially if you're dealing with multiple custom fields. After naming it, enter the formula you'll use for your calculated field. For today's purpose, we're using a simple formula. Case when country equals USA, then United States, else other end. What this formula does is categorize the country data in your chart. If the data point is the USA, it will label it as United States. Any other country will simply be labeled as other. This is a straightforward example of how you can transform and categorize data to fit your specific analytic needs and make it more intuitive for your audience. After entering your formula, simply click Apply. This step confirms your field is now available for use, but remember that it is isolated to this specific chart. It won't affect your overall data source or other charts, maintaining the integrity and specificity of your main data pool while giving you the flexibility to manipulate charts on a case-by-case basis. And there you have it, a customized chart with its own calculated field, empowering you to represent data in a way that aligns perfectly with the insights you wish to uncover and communicate. With these tools and this method, you can enhance how you visualize data and provide valuable insights quickly and effectively. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy charting!